Gosh,
Ow.
it's so naked. And today, naked here. So close. Naked. Okay, right, let's start again. And we just got cubes. No, I almost said fidget spinners.
Who's we? Can they see mine?
Hello. You're here. Finally.
Hello.
Takes your time. I got a green one, and my sister got a.
Pick one. I wanted the orange one, but who cares? Because my boyfriend wouldn't want to pick one. So
Anyway,
I shouldn't have said that.
if you don't know what a fidget cube is, it's a
It's
cube
where you
that you
fidget
fidget
with a
with.
cube. It's like doing bop it. Twist it.
Weird. It's really, really weird.
Hang on.
I did it! I solved the problem! I didn't know one ball.
Look, a ball. Meant to be that way.
But now, it's 2 balls.
Okay, so basically, on the top,
There's white, a cookie.
I said a clicky.
Oh, I
I
thought you
don't know
said
what it's
cookie.
called. Oh wait,
Well,
it says it on the box.
so there's this little marble thing that you can like move around. There's these. You can just twist all day. And up above that, there's some like 5 buttons. One does nothing. There's a bit of a click to it. This one does nothing. Middle one, click. This one, nothing. This one, click. So if I can remember, click, click, click. And these two, yeah, and nothing buttons. And up above that is spinner. Fidget spinner inside a fidget. Wow. And up above that is a clicker. Up above that is the same thing. So turn it, got another spinner right next to the other spinner. Go like that. Clicker again. Go like this. It's just empty. And that's complete fidget cube. But I still don't know what that is.
So basically, it comes in this little box here, and it says Zuru fidget cube. It's a bit backwards, but basically, if I can get the box open again.
It looks backwards to us because we're literally watching it while we're doing it.
Yeah, probably don't. Look
But when
backwards
you
to
watch it,
it
it won't be
look
backwards.
Okay, so it says inside that
We're literally watching everything
This
we're
bit
doing
here
right now. I've
is
showed
the
them the whole.
clicker. So this is the click
There's a flip.
on the book. There's a flip. Wait, this is the
Stationary
click
mode.
on the bottom.
This is the
Okay.
click.
Oh no, sorry, this is the click, sorry. So this you click. Okay, so it says...
Chelsea, do you know what I showed them?
Hang on.
I
This is
showed them. Look,
This is the roll.
this clicks.
Yeah.
Look,
So this is the click. This is the roll.
No, look, Chelsea, this clicked.
Hang on.
This clicked. This clicked. These two don't.
This is the breathe. This is the breathe.
Breathe. This one. Not the other one.
This is the
Not that one. That's not the breathe.
this is the spin turner thingy. So spin turner. This one.
So you can spin this.
And then
Turn
the
these.
flip is this one. So the spin is the ball, and the flip is this one.
So you like
And then
flipping
the
them.
spin. No, the glide is this one. At the top. Okay?
But what's the oval thing?
What oval thing? Don't think that's anything really. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the. That's the glide. That just keeps it still when you're playing with it. Really, I think. Yeah, just keeps it still when you're playing with it. It's not.
Now
Bad.
you can see.
You can't really see my face because Charlie is in.
Can you go and get your tablet?
Me.
Yeah.
Hang on. I've got my sticker stuck to you.
So?
Sticker.
I want to do some single legs.
Okay guys, my tablet is on 62%.
62? Yeah. Cam's on 6.
Oh! Okay.
Pass me this. I just need to do some searching.
Searching for
Don't ask how I know that. There. Oh, shout out Squab Juice as well.
And Jacksepticeye.
Shout out to Jacksepticeye. You haven't subscribed. Oh, and Wasabi Productions. Here it is. You might hear him.
And Lord
Just wait a
DIY.
second. That's his screen.
So what are you doing exactly?
Sorry. I couldn't find any cinematic like songs, so I had to steal them.
You know, you could just type up cinematic songs.
I know, but I couldn't be bothered to. It would have been much
Yeah.
faster. But
I'm
at
just
least
going
I got
to
the
change my
cinematic.
password quick and then tell Josh. Because there's no good.
Well,
Otherwise he'll go crazy.
I'm going to leave this video here. If you liked it, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.